Okay, so first what you would want to do to get into your navigation bar and update, first I'm going to show you how to update the nets, pond supplies, reptile supplies, and small animal menus because the aquarium supplies one's going to be done slightly different. So you would log into the back end of your store, go to navigation, and go to sidebar menu. And you'll see that the items are right here. So you got nets, pond supplies, reptile supplies, and small animal. So nets and reptile supplies have drop downs as well as flyouts. So you would just click on the arrow and you can edit everything directly from here. And then these ones have flyouts. So you would just, click edit and then it shows you where the link is. And, so it's super simple to get to. That one's pretty self-explanatory. The one that is a little bit more complicated just because of the type of menu that it is would be the aquarium supplies one, which requires you have to go into themes, and then you go to actions and you go to edit code, and then you go to collection liquid. Okay, so what this is just specifically for the aquarium supplies menu. So if you ever want to change like aquarium, like let's just say you want to change supplies to a capital S, you would just make the change and then you'd hit save. So I'm not going to do that because obviously we're not making any changes, but what would happen is if you wanted to add more menu items. So for example, you'll see that the child category under aquarium supplies is air pumps, which is why it says, child right here. And then here's the link, collection air pumps. So it's super simple to understand, what you're linking to. And then here's the text that appears. Now, since that's the only drop down off of this menu, before you get to the flyouts, then that's why there's only one listed there as a child. And then the grandchild menus are right here. So Alita, Aquatop, battery, etc. So let's just say that we wanted to add another drop down under Alita. What you would do is just highlight exactly this because we're going to duplicate this. And you would hit Control C to copy. And then you just need to just basically drop it in there so that you have another one. And then you would just change the collection to whatever the collection is going to be. So you just change the name and then you change the text and then you'd hit save. And it's as simple as that. It'll update it on the front end and that is all that you have to do.